how to manage real-time shipping quotes settings on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it. First, open your browser, and then once you're here, click settings, and here we'll find shipping. Click on it and then scroll down until you find here we'll find this one. Check out shipping options. Now select any zone you want and click edit, and here we'll find real-time shipping codes. That's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.